Hello mathematicians, welcome back. Today we're looking at some more word problems, but today we're looking at comparison problems. So I'm looking at the top problem and it says, number 11, Lucy has 11 crayons. Julie has 17 crayons. Who has more crayons? How many more? So is 11 less than, greater than, or equal to 17? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It is less than 17 because I have to count up to get to 11. So that means if I want to know how many more crayons Julie has than Lucy, I have to do a subtraction problem. So I have to do 17 minus 11, or I could do a count up problem and count up from 11. So let me erase this and actually think about it on my number line. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It took me plus 6 bumps to get up to 17. So we're thinking that Julie, and I'm answering in a complete sentence, Julie has 6 more crayons than Lucy. Julie has 6 more crayons than Lucy. We knew that 11 was less than 17, and to find out how many more Julie had, I had to use a number line and count up. We'll try a different strategy on the next problem, number 12. Problem number 12 says, Lucas has 12 crayons and Leah has 15. Who has fewer crayons? How many fewer? We know that 12 is less than 15, but we want to know by how much. So we could do 15 minus 12 equals what? And if I counted up or counted backwards from 15, I'm thinking 15, 14, 13, 12. On a number line, it looks like this. 15, 14, 13, 12. And it was 3 bumps. So my question mark is 3. So we would say that Lucas has 3 less crayons or 3 fewer crayons than Leah. Lucas has 3 fewer crayons than Leah. Because I knew that 12 was the smaller number, and I know to subtract I have to start with my larger number and jump backwards. First problem we jumped forwards. Second problem we had to jump backwards. Now I'm going to look at problem number 13, and then I'm going to let you try the rest of them on your own. So let's look at problem number 13. Rosa has 6 markers. Diego has 5 more markers than Rosa. How many markers does Diego have? So if Rosa has 6 markers, Diego has 5 more markers than Rosa, we want to know how many Diego has. So this one's just an add to problem. We started with our 6, and now we're adding up to get to 5. We start with our 6 and we're adding 5 more to get to the number that Diego has. So we're adding 6 and then we go 1 bump, 2 bumps, 3 bumps, 4 bumps, 5 bumps because this is a plus 5 equation. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 5 equals 11. So Diego has 11 markers. All right. And number 14, it's saying there are 5 green pencil boxes. There are 3 fewer red pencil boxes. How many red pencil boxes are there? You're going to figure that one out. Then for number 15, it says there are 9 more blue crayons than purple crayons. There are 16 blue crayons. How many crayons are there? And finally, question number 16 says, Keisha put 7 glue sticks in the box, which was fewer glue sticks than Jake put in. Jake put in the box. How many glue sticks did Jake put in the box? So what you're trying to figure out for those last 3 problems is how to set it up. Is it addition or subtraction? What's the story about? And what mathematical questions being asked with those units? What are the numbers? What are they counting? And what's the missing number that you're trying to solve for? Make sure you pay close attention. And I'm here to help with what you need. Have a good day and keep up the good work, mathematicians.